Good afternoon, Watertown. I'm meteorologist Jack Griffin here with your Watertown Weather Watch forecast. We're continuing to see very strong winds across much of the area during the afternoon. Then they'll be switching out of the northwest tomorrow. So they'll be southerly today, northwest tomorrow, and unfortunately both today and tomorrow are looking to be very windy. So we'll have the warm and windy conditions today. Cooler temperatures will be accompanied behind a cold front, and then the chances for rain will be coming back to the forecast on Monday. Looking at some of the low temperatures from this morning, very impressive. 49 degrees for the low in Watertown, 54 in Brookings, 55 in Sioux Falls, 61 in Winter, 58 degrees in Phillip, 48 degrees in Pierre. So as you can see, extremely warm temperatures this morning. High temperatures have been very impressive too, in the upper 60s and low 70s across much of the region, with Watertown coming in at 66 so far this afternoon, 71 in Huron, 75 in Mitchell, 77 in Jackson, Minnesota, and 75 degrees in Yankton. Now here is a satellite radar. What you're noticing though is that there are some clouds as well as some very light rain showers. This is not really hitting the ground just yet. But what's important is that this line of clouds is actually the cold front coming through. So as of now, the cold front is basically draped right across the center of the state with a little bit of a tilt to the northeast on the northern part and a little bit more to the southwest on the southern part. But this cold front will be coming through the region, and what it's going to do when it gets to us is not produce showers and thunderstorms like it's supposed to do in Minnesota, but it's going to change our winds and cool us down drastically for tomorrow. So zooming in, here's a local look at our satellite radar. Again, we've had mainly a mix of clouds and sun out there with some very light showers being reported. Now zooming out, what you're going to notice this is where the Futurecast model will start at 1 o'clock this afternoon. And what you're noticing, though, is that once it gets going here into parts of northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota, it's going to develop some thunderstorms that could be strong to severe. Notice that it did not produce anything in our area. So besides the very light scattered showers, we're really not expecting much in our area for precipitation. Once the front passes by tonight, then we'll have our winds turn out of the northwest tomorrow, bringing in cooler temperatures, and then also a high-pressure center will come down for the beginning of Friday, also aiding in cooling us down. So coming back in here, again, by 11 o'clock or so, we should not be seeing any precipitation, just some clouds around the area that will be then clearing out. Pretty clear for the much of the day tomorrow, maybe some clouds coming in at times during the later parts of the day and the afternoon. But for the most part, though, tomorrow should be pretty sunny. And then by the time we end this at Friday at 5 o'clock, also looking at fairly nice conditions. So tonight, 37 degrees will be the low with northwest winds at 15 to 20 miles per hour. So it does fall fairly significantly from the day today. Tomorrow, mainly sunny skies with a few clouds here and there, high at 54, but notice those winds from the west-northwest, 25 to 40 miles per hour. So it's going to be windy tomorrow. We'll have a high tomorrow of 54. On Friday, 48 degrees will only be the high. 55 on Saturday, 51 on Sunday, and then luckily we do have more chances for rain that will begin on Monday.